Karma. Don't we love karma, especially when it hits the right people? There's a TikTok that came out of these people that had a pride flag on the back of their boat as they were sailing in the lake, and some assholes they didn't like that flag. They started circling their boat and creating all these waves and stuff and flipping them off. Before we watch karma take place, I've got to tell you guys to like and subscribe. Do it right now, no exceptions. Also, join my damn Discord. Link's right here. Ding! So one thing I will say is that I spared you guys, okay? How did I spare you? Because the Oh No song was playing literally the entire time that video. You don't even realize it because I replaced it with some other music that I licensed that sounds way better. Apparently, after these people got on the boat, they were still being douchebags and they were like mad at these people for being gay and the fact that they had to be on the same boat as them.
You guys okay?
No, we're burning!
Yeah, I know, but are you guys don't have any major injuries, right?
Get in.
You're burnt.
Just get in.
All right, I shut my engine off.
I don't know, I just
fucking...
floating in gas. No, dog, you're so
We're alive. You said go straight to cascade.
Is that this one?
That's ours.
Okay, so go to our boat launch?
Yes.
Baby, stop, baby, it's okay. Baby,
Yeah,
we're alive.
you guys are alive.
Baby, we're alive. We're okay. Baby, are you burning? Where are you hurt? Those are our friends.
Stop, those are our friends.
Okay, cover.
Go to them.
Oh shit.
Take your phone. Oh, it is. Yeah, I'm just gonna get a spit picture real quick. Alright. You don't want to jump up here and get spit pictures. Yeah. There goes old stream.
I'm good. They're off of our fucking boat. Bitches.
After she started getting hysterical, I started freaking out with the dogs. I was like, oh my god, this bitch is gonna start throwing something in the water.
Yeah, go home, bitches. I swear to God. That is some funny karma. You know, they came out and they did a bunch of circles around us to stir up the water on us while we were just sitting there.
They were harassing us.
Yeah, because we had a big
And then we saved their ass.
And then we turned around and saved them.
I think I slapped you guys last year.
You did, yeah!
I'm glad to see you guys out here.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Is it burnt?
Personally, I don't know if I would have let them on the boat. I mean, by law, I think you're not allowed to just abandon people in the middle of the water. You have to save them. I would probably throw them like a life little thing, you know, something to float, a flotation thing, and tow them to land and say, you're not getting on my boat. But I'll help you with the bare minimum that I have to by law. And because I do respect human life, at least that much, but I don't have to like you. And I don't have to make it very pleasant. Anyways, guys, that's the story. Thank you very much for watching another episode of The Feed. I am Pop Stanimus. Like, subscribe, drop a comment down below with what you think about this whole situation, and I'll see you in the next video.